kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kiarngot kinongilam ka BJP na North Shillong constituency uba Martamlin perbot ba uba Michael Kyrshan hene kasingi gilapan pawe ka jing ngok men bakum kinongilam hadian ka jingya tai sa nibha kilapoy siya ka jingya ngotho jingbon patna kalyang uba perbot ula shimya karay ban omya kunshu ka election ka banwan henry ban ay jing Kyrshan no uba Michael Kyrshan kum ukertong jong seng BJP na North Shillong constituency nakalyang uba Michael habakran bat kinong tho kubor ulaong kumbalong manta kila don ki khubor ki basapriang bagi don ki weiru ki bapen bana bakin yakun na kaseng BJP batna kalyang ba Kyrshan laong baya ka tiket kinong yalam bahakli jong kaseng na Delhi kin sa shim ya kara yanukin ai ulakin turu ye ki wei kinong yalam ki balami no na kaseng banwan phai biang sya kaseng kilakin turu yo ba GA lingdo banwan phai biang bat banya trailang ka wei hapo kaseng Ulay tuuru baka jia tray lang kaday na markitrang man Punjab iyo kertong jong kaseng na North Shillong. Nakalyang ba aporbat habakran si kinong to kubor ulaong. Ba uday way ni kinong yalam kaseng ubapan tiket na kaseng BJP. Bat usngo ba kumya kani kaseng kiday ban penkalan. Ulapan kre ban yakun henry haka jingya jong u. Usngo ba kipat ba kilingo manu ban yo tiket. Baday halor kani bigila shimya karay ban ya tray lang. Bat ban ay lahat yo ba Michael ban nong kertong. Bat don ay ka jing Kyrshan yo u.
Nakaliang ka nga kumaflatip nga kerteng ba Michael Kyrshan kani ka press conference ka bang ni don kumi chanmit ako ban introduce ni don ni ba Martamlin perbot ni former MDC nang Thai very senior BJP member. Then we have Bafer. He is also a very hardworking person from the BJP and he's also part of the BJP team Gabala Era Pangte po 17 North constituency. And we also have Dap Kupar Nongrum, who has recently joined us as General Secretary of the NCP, who has joined the BJP. So the reason that we have called this press conference today is to first and foremost thank our supporters, Jong Iba, but Jongi na po ka 17 North Kibala Yatre, Kibalay Don lang. And we would like to give a very good news to our supporters, to our friends from the 17 North Shillong. But as of today, we have decided that both of us, we have teamed up that we will fight the BJP on a BJP ticket from the 17 North. I give my thanks to Martamlin Prabhat. He has given us the support that he will henceforth not contest anymore the election and he will work together to have a single for us to work together. So that is the message that is being said today from our side, the message that we want to give to our supporters from the 17 North Shillong. Another thing that we would like to clarify to the press is that as of now, since there are many rumors that has been gone in 17 North Shillong that the ticket has been allotted to this particular candidate or that particular candidate, as you all know, we are two senior BJP members here. I'm also a person who have contested from the party in the 2018 elections from Umsing constituency, and same thing, Ma is a former MDC and also is a senior BJP member. The fact of the matter is that BJP is such a party that it is based on so many aspects, but they allot the ticket. So we would like to make a clarification to the supporters of 17 North. But as of now, the ticket will be decided, as we know, from the central leaders based on survey and based on so many other things. So BJP is a national party and it is a party which is ruling the central at the moment. So BJP is also a party. They have their own intelligence, they have their own survey report, they have their own their own analysis of how the election commission they decide whom to allot the ticket. So based on that, we have full faith on the party and our party leaders in Delhi and also the leaders who are here in the Meghalaya BJP that they will see and assess the person, a candidate, according to the winnability. Kalong kum ni mo pek ngan patay pi hawara cha ka prapo bangele na kani ka party ni ka kasyusyong ba ya ka jing tre po madan mo namarngi ni da fismo to ni ki no Kyrshan ni la don lupa ngilayat kata ngatry na do ko por covid platip katu ngilayat ne ti kinong Kyrshan ki jongi ki kwa ingi bangin yele na po ka nang ni na po ka party BJP tenata ka daw ngaro nga sa ong ipi ba kata ka jingmi jong way na ar lesi kim don confident kan ndray nga bu ya ka confident ka jonga ha kinong yalam jongi na ka party kiberan hapo Shillong ba kiberan hapo Delhi ba kiberan hapo Assam ba kin pet ken uno ubre udan chance ya ka jing job ya kata nga nganum ya ka party but nga kwa ban make it a point here that I will not leave the party until the day the party makes a decision who will be given a ticket. After that, we will sit together with all our workers because at the end of the day, this is an election. I have to be elected by the people. I cannot, tell that, okay, I've come as an officer or I've come as a son of some rich businessman and I have to win. The election is the people who will vote for me. But Kharkrang is a bureaucrat. He recently joined the party, as we all know, on the 3rd of this month. We welcome such intellectual people into the party. As a young party leader, I've been with the party now 7 years, 8 years running, and Ma has been there for a very long time. When we have intellectual people like Sir S.P. Mohanta, we have all these top lawyers who have joined us, we welcome them. As I told you, the BJP from Delhi and the BJP who are running the show in the country, they know who are on the ground, who are there to work for the public. And I'm thankful Kharkrang ru ba ila join ka party ki jongi. We need people like him. We need people who are intellectual, who are who come from that background, because that will give us more support on the ground. But let the best man, the best person be given a chance to represent the public. As you all know, I have been loyal to the party. I have been there for the party right from the time of 2016. I've been there. I was there from the time when there was a show cause notice that was issued against me when I raised up the ticket for scam issue that has been mentioned. So even for that, at that point of time, I have been loyal with the party. And if the party decide, as of now, if the party decide that I have a chance of winning and I have a chance of coming up along with representative Jonga party to be given a ticket, I will fight. And if somehow the party makes a decision for the betterment, that we also understand that okay, the weightage is more and the chance of winning is there. Jilingdo is a person who is a very senior politician, and he knows very well that the BJP as it is a very organization. The BJP is very strong. But the fact is that maybe because of certain things that has happened to him within the party, in the leaders here in the state, maybe because of felt let down or sidelined or anything like that, which he felt that there will be no chance for him to apply for the ticket. But at the moment, as we all know, I am a very new person at 2018. I fought on the ground and I was given a ticket on the first list from the BJP. So with this development that is happening today, where we have Martamlin Prabhat, as you all know, he is also one of the person who is applying for the ticket. He has given the support to us. So we think that our chances of getting the ticket and fighting will be more stronger. And we know that Jilingdo is also a BJP man. He's always a BJP man. He has fought the election and he came second. He lost by a narrow margin of only 200, not 300. So if he comes together, since most of his supporters are the people whom we have been working together from 2019, even during the COVID time, all of his people are with us. So we also request him again, work together, bring the BJP, because the BJP is a national party. Dada ka party karay ba kamibit yang amo, let's say ka perkat banga ngam dan chance bangan job apo ka 17 not karay da kumoy tingin sipek kanya ka topor tangma ngilum shwa ya kinong Kyrshan jongi arngut ken. Namar Kisung tu imaro ibon kida ade lupa o kanadiat ibala pan tiket. Ngaro ngade o kanadiat pan tiket. Te mangi armut ginlum kenya ginong Kyrshan. Kei ka bakinong Kyrshan gijong ni kiong. Ya chakmat yele nem yele ndray nga ngasung tu. Ngong ipi ngaladon hakani ka party bat nga ngatip ka party gijong ni kalong kuno. Ndan mano bala bankam balayo tiket. Nga ngatry fila ban sung tu. How are jakat pra what is state president jongiru mo imashipun ning do ipara try jongiru apor ba deban ai tiket iklam yo ai ka tiket nei namar ba menu badan chance penjob ya kata ka parti ka ai ka tiket tengah kermen ru kum ki kam ki bangangala tray kum ka kam ka ba imaru ila don ka jingelam jongi ka jingitrilang jongi armut da ka batikna ka parti ka numbakla kay nakar parking ni kinong ilam jo ka bichipiru ki badan hapo ka state ka jongi wanum le kanya ka babakla namar ka jing suthu ka jongi ka tika khat nyo not Shillong kadon ka chance 95% bah ka BJP kan job ladang iyo candidate upia. Ka duty jong mandal ka deban assess ya ka polling booth jong candidate kan no la tre kum no la ya kan no ki polling booth la le kum no la tre te kata ka de duty jong ka mandal. Te ka mandal ka de tang mat recommendation. Te ka recommendation jong ka mandal kala benong yo candidate A B C ne kala benong armut lain ngut candidate kat kum bijing sutu ka jonga. Te ka winnability ka mata. Ka winnability ka mata ku malong how to snam ngatrai fitip ba i former minister baru MLA ujoin ya ka parti te kata kale se ka BJP ke yoi ba kamdon chance ita i ba join nata ka ka ay ka tiket te kataru kalong ndai mas join mas nai mo kala ndala declare ya ka tiket isa agen kani ka parti kalong very discipline ku mangangala ong ipi mene unu ubri ubatrai bat ngasanyaru baka parti ka ay tiket ngin job right Kamandal kadang scam back, kamdon kano kajing apa. Actually, ngaku akan make this a point. There is no split in the party in BJP Shillong. There is no split at all. Please take this. Kamdon jing pat ye. Kasudan tang laingut ki candidate saw menhakani laingut mentang, but mentang sa astang angut ki mapan tiket na ka parti. Mereka kamandal kadang scam, kamandal kadang don, but ngaru kumu aspiring candidate ubapan tiket ngaburam ya kamandal. Kumakalong ki members yang kamandal boro ngakwa iki bakinya trilang na menta kajing job jong ka parti kajungi. Ai ba ki kinrai da kajing start kajong ki meno badan chance ban job upai ba ukam kwa yano ban represent badia utau ba ki pai ba ki kwa ketika do kandidat serta kanang ba kajing job kanwa. BJP is a very organized based party and it's very disciplined. In the 2018 election that we fought, the ticket was declared on the 2nd of February and the election date was on the 27th. So as of now, no one can claim, even the state president himself, I think you know, he's also fighting, applying for a ticket from 18 West constituency. So no one can claim that the ticket has been allotted to a certain particular person or something like that. It will always be based on the work that you do on the ground. Oh, so that is what is like that. So I cannot tell you bangal ayo mga or so certain person cannot say ba they don't support jong itane this person and that person support la yo ticket. I humbly request ya kita ki parlok ki balami no all our friends who have left, all the friends who have left the BJP because of so many reasons, as you know, 17 not so many people have left, they have gone to other parties and all that. We welcome you and we also request you to come back, work together. And this message we would like to spread and make a personal appeal to Mr. J. Lingdo, who is the second runners-up in the 2018 election from BJP contested. So we request him, since his supporters, all of them, they are with us, we also request him to not contest this election this time, but to work together with us so that we will bring a winning strategy and will work together to bring change in the 17 North. That is the message from our side. And as a candidate, aspiring candidate of BJP, I would like to make it clear over here, since you know from henceforth there will be a rumor that certain person has been paid or certain arrangement has been done, but there's nothing like that is done from our side. The reason that we have teamed up together to fight, not to work on separate ways, is that we want the people to bring a change in 17 North, and no financial transaction mdan kajing siu mdan ye kanu kajing thiet kumakajulong kane kadai. This is purely based on the love for the party and the support that we have, that we want BJP to win in 17 North Shillong this time in 2023.
Anisha kumplai tipe they win again from the members to the party BJP and the state dongi. The Kunyaga election of 1993, but 1998. The Shipor and Shimsti, the party, the Hadin Katoni, Por Banga Pet, Hadin Trust Name, Newsnam, one with the party at Por, the Pet comes in China, it cannot even. Then a small bar, you come with a party in a man. Man party. Gariman ay ketika diam ketika man ujungnya. Jadi ini tak ada orang join biang sebagai party. In the first part of this year only, daga jumut jengmu bangan yakun biang yaga election. Te ngelap kerai pan yakun, ngelaya ngelai kendo babun gibril perlok perjo bahap puak nega 17 North Shillong constituency. ngala pelum pelang ki meeting ki bobon tali tenre hagane ka jinga nga chu so lang pisa ka mesin abang ya so lagi pai ba ki along confuse ki klibe muno biat kat la shi pun china we ka pos re ka ba nganda perkat nganda shong perkat sani ba ngaso ba ngaso ting ba kini ki pai pa ki ba kwa ban support ka party yo is kato ki pra ki lech to shene tengong la da dang islam ni ka por te kan support ka por ba kini ka party kan sedu be ni ka si la debat ini ka si la bons nem ba ala adin ga delimitation ni do ni ka si 2013 ni wani okay kumi kong candidate congress mo 2018 wan ba adarba jongka khnam te ngating ba haw news nam wi awan regway pat ki party ya bang e ji party naso ba la kumdong no haban sacrifice khnang ba ninyo ban i ba ka 2023 ninyo yo amle jongka party BJP nang ni na po 17 North Local Constituency ngal berkat ngala bu jung mo ngalai kendo ik pelak porjor peleng saudong ba hapukut nga phai ka khmat si ba mai te nga persang bani kontak bani kran bani mane soto kali ai ka por ka to ne ngasno ba ladeni ya ga jong imat kata ga jing sa sepret ki bre ban nang jor aru mentaru da fi lek pan kali si po ka konsensi kinang bun ki bre ki ba long confuse ba ya ni ketika ngong ba hagane ka poswa bi ki brew kenya sakama kala de ka por baginya pelum pelang no ikini ki supporters jo ka party te de ko ki jengmun ngarai ngom ba longkat balong nanya ai ka kti dia kti ko mani ba mai nganya tristom ba la kum nuru injo.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.